Hi guys, get a little outdoor fire going. I got some bricks here and some different rocks I can find around here to make it up. Little fire pit. It's gonna be a little thing, nothing major. Maybe if I do that like that, I might be able to get some. Might be able to breathe a little bit. Let's see what else I can find. Not sure if I'll find much more. I know there's another block over here. I think I've seen. Yeah. Yeah, right here, some stuff I can use for sure. I'll come back and get that other piece. Take this one and put it over there. That'll help me make a little pit here. There you go. We're getting there. That'll work. Has to be nothing very big. Just enough to put grate on there or something. That other piece I found right there should do it. It'll work good. Alright. Let's see what that does. I'm gonna get this fire going. And the mosquitoes are kind of bad out here right now. I'm just gonna take a few of these little twigs we got over here and just get a little small fire going. Using ferro rod and cotton ball and a little vaseline. See if we can get some of this going and get a little smoke over here. Get some of these mosquitoes out of our way. All right, guys, how you doing? I'm back. I got a little setup going here. We're gonna get a little fire going, nothing major, because there's a lot of mosquitoes over here by my bus, and I don't want them over here. So we're gonna get them out of here the best we can. Hope my audio is working. Microphone's on this time. We'll see. Hopefully it goes good. So what I'm going to be using, as you probably already seen, is Vaseline, cotton balls, and a ferro rod. So we'll get this going. Get some smoke out of this, hopefully, and get these detour some of these bugs. See them probably flying all over the place over here. Drive me crazy. So I'm getting them. Do my best to get them out of here. So this is a pretty simple procedure. I will not need both of those. I probably will not even need both of these, but I open it up, unroll it, fluff it up a little bit. You can do this with anything, cotton, cardboard, I don't care what it is. T-shirt, cotton t-shirt, anything you can stick Vaseline on. And then get me a nice little healthy dose of this. The thing with this is pretty much light in the rain too, so I'll lift my sticks back up and put that right in the middle there, drop them back on there, and readjust them a little bit because I gotta get my spark in there. But what'll happen is, get this. I use the back of my blade too, so I don't mess it up. Let's see if I can get something started with this one. There we go. With a 2-trier one, but got it. So just that quick. See, we can try to get it going here. Put this up so you don't lose it. And break up some more of these. Get some of this bark laying around here too. That'll smoke. That's what I'm really after more than anything. Some smoke to get these bugs out of here. You can see that piece of wood's pretty wet. Got sap coming out of it, but it's going. It's definitely going. And it's putting off good smoke. That's almost like a perfect incense right there. About to choke me though. So that's how easy it is. And I'm gonna put this little piece over here, kind of help block it. And I'll probably move these in closer so I have a smaller space because I really don't. Ooh, I hope I don't put it out moving it. But I can do this, it's better. Give you guys a little better look here. What we got going. I don't have to burn up my phone. It'd be good, huh? And there we go. We have us a nice little fire going. It'll keep me smoldering and keep the bugs away, ideally. There's Gretchen. Yeah, it's always hanging out, aren't you? Gretchen, Gretchen. Okay, we're looking pretty good now. Get some of this in here. Spread that out if I can. I want to say something, guys. I have 95% of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it if you guys take the second. Don't cost anything. It's free. Helps me out. Helps my channel grow. I appreciate it. If you like the content, not everything's going to be great.